So had a little mishap here and this door got ripped off. We were trying to get something into the basement, which is right around the corner, and this got pushed out. So the first thing on the list is to fix this.
Yes, we're making cookies.
So what I did was I drilled out the broken bits of melamine and glued in some 1-inch dowels. I used a 1-inch Forstner bit to get all the broken bits, and I glued in some 1-inch dowel. So after the glue sets up, pardon the dog's barks, after the glue sets up, I will take my dowel saw and I will cut those flush, and I have some nice new wood to screw the hinge back into. So here it's pretty straightforward. I'm just cutting the dowels flush for my new screws to go into. And now I've mounted the door on the top hinge so I can mark out the holes for my bottom hinge. I'm going to drill them out with a pilot bit and then drill them out to actual size to fit the screws which hold the hinge in place. Then I'll mount the door, adjust the door, test it multiple times, and make sure it works. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful, and thank you very much for watching.